Hello children, how are you all? Hope you all must be fine and safe at home. So children, it's time to practice cursive verb book. Okay, so now let's open page number 40. So children, here on page number 40, today we will learn cursive small s, t, u, v, w and x. Okay, so here at the top you will tick towards classwork and here you will mention the date 12-10-20. Alright, so let's start from the first letter S. We will learn cursive handwriting. Okay, so see, you will follow the same formation here. Start from the blue line, move upward, come downward, small s, and you will write towards the blue line. Now join again, come downward. Now again move upward, come downward. Move upward, come downward. Small cursive S. Now in the same way you will write here. Start from blue line and come towards the blue line. Join like this. Like this. Okay? And you will write in very beautiful handwriting. Okay, write it down in free handwriting. Move upward, come downward. Move upward, come downward, like this. This is small cursive S. Alright, see, now the next letter is T. Start from the blue line, touch till red line, come downward and put a slipping line over here. Now again join T. Move upward, T. Come downward. Move upward, come downward like this. Small cursive T. Now complete these two lines also. Start from blue line like this. Again like this. Move upward like this. This is small cursive T. Okay, use sharpened pencil children and write in very good handwriting. Okay, like this. Now again join. Make sure you will write by joining the letters. As it is cursive handwriting, we are learning how to write by joining the letters together. This is how we written small cursive T. Now come to letter U. Start from blue line, move upward. Yes. Now come downward, move upward. 4 times you will write the cursive U. Like this. Alright, now complete the next one. Like this. Now again join, come downward, move upward, come downward, cursive U. In this way children, you will learn cursive handwriting and you will write in very neat and clean handwriting. Alright, no one will write without joining the letters. Alright, now come to the next letter, letter V, downward. Start from here. You will write the small letters within the blue line only. Move upward, come downward, make a small curve like this. Cursive letter V. Like this. Come downward, upward, like this. Move upward, like this. देखिए. Okay, so you will write in this way cursive V. Now come to the next letter, cursive small w. Like this. Move upward. Now join curve. Join the next letter W. In this way you will write 4 times. Alright. Now again see. You have to write within the blue lines only. Okay, no one will write outside the blue line. Like this. Alright. Now complete this again. Curve upward. Like this. You have to write by joining the letters together. Alright. Now write here small cursive X. How to write this? Make a curve like this. Inverted C, and here the rightward curve. Leftward, rightward. Leftward, rightward. Now right here, leftward, rightward. Join neck again. Left, right. Left, right. Left, right. Left, right. Left, right. Move upward like this. Downward. So in this way, children, we have completed the letters S, T, U, V, W, X. Alright. Now here on the next page, number 41. This page is homework for you. So you will put a tick here and mention the date 12/10/20. And you will also do this in the same way we have done on page number 40. So this is all about your cursive workbook work. Okay, children. Thank you. Bye-bye.